So a few days ago, I remembered that FMC exists, so I decided to do a couple of attempts, and I ended up getting a 24-move solution, which I thought was pretty nice. So looking around, I decided to make the white, orange, blue block. It was 5 moves. I couldn't find anything better on the inverse scramble, so I did it like this. And then for the 2x2x3, I didn't see anything on the inverse scramble either, so I inserted this corner like that. So that's a 9-move 2x2x3. After a lot of searching around on the normal and the inverse scramble, I found like a 4-move, that, but it gave me a bad EO. So I decided to go with this. So that's a 14-move F2L -1. Here I solved EO, so I have 2 bad edges. So I'm going to move this one into here. And then also see that these two are opposite, and this one's not, so I can move it like that, finish EO. And then now I have a 3-corner case. So that's 23 moves to 3 corners, which I think is pretty bad. So then I put the stickers on, started looking for insertions. 10 moves into the solution, after the L prime, I got to this formation of stickers. In Arnis, it looks like this. I'm going to do the commutator like this, so the L and the L prime are going to cancel out. Then you have D prime, R prime, D, L prime, D prime, R, D. And the next 3 moves are D prime, R prime, D2. So that's going to end up canceling 5 moves. So 7 in total. So once you do that on the cube, you have L, D prime, R prime, D, L prime, D prime, R, D. Do the rest of the solution. See, that's all going to cancel out. Then you have that. The thing is, I didn't actually see that because I wasn't really paying attention. But what I did see is that here you have this OLL, which also skips. And you have it like this. So you can do that, which also gives you a 24-move solution.